Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jake. Today I want to show you how I made my own custom version of the Milwaukee PACKOUT Drawers. There's all kinds of possibilities with these drawers. Right now I have some hand tools in one and my SDS drill and install driver in the other. I will be showing off some other configurations throughout the video. As you can see, I've been investing in PACKOUT for quite a while now and was looking forward to adding some drawers just like everyone else. The newly released Milwaukee drawers look awesome, but a couple problems jumped out to me. Most notably, I can't justify the $150 price tag. So I took some design inspiration from theirs and made this version to fit my needs. A benefit of my custom design is that I sized it so that they fit into my workbench that I'm currently building. Please hit subscribe so you can get notified when the video of my ultimate adjustable workbench comes out. I also made sure this build is still completely compatible with the rest of my PACKOUT stack. So before we jump into the building process and finished product, I always start with some CAD design. I assembled this project piece by piece in my program. These are all the parts I designed and 3D printed. It then goes through every other piece made from 1/2-inch plywood too. I used a spray paint trigger on this project and it made the job a lot easier. I highly recommend trying one. My version is made from one sheet of 1/2-inch plywood and 4 drawer slides. In total it was less than $50, so about 1/3 the cost of the Milwaukee version. The entire assembly was pretty basic, using only glue and brad nails. Both drawers had the same dimensions, 17 by 14.5 by 4 inches. The first 3D printed parts are these side bumpers printed in black PLA. These are 14-inch full extension drawer slides I got from Menards for about $12 a pack. They have a load rating of 100 pounds, so it's actually stronger than the Milwaukee version. These drawer handles were also printed in black PLA. A lot of these printed trim pieces are actually just super glued in place instead of screwed, and it works pretty good. The Milwaukee drawers don't have side handles, but I wanted to easily carry mine around upright, so I drilled some holes for my braided paracord handles to go into. The handles are pretty comfortable for carrying the box around, but they also fold in when I have to slide into the workbench. The tails inside of the box are secured with screws and washers. I really liked how my nameplate turned out on my Packout worktop, so I printed a slightly bigger one for these drawers. I saw someone on Instagram use hot glue to temporarily attach the feet, and it worked great. If you're thinking of doing this, keep in mind that you only have one shot and it sticks really well. Here's a few drawer combinations that I came up with that I think I'm going to expand upon later. It works great for my combo kit, hand tools, bins from the Packout organizers, and surprisingly, even tools that aren't Milwaukee fit pretty good in there too. One feature that I think I'm going to do without for now is using these top cleats so that I can stack and lock in more Packout on top of this box. For now, I like the flat work surface. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments if you're going to build or buy your own Packout drawers. I'll see you in the next one.